Camco Industries is New Zealand's premium commercial vehicle fit-out company. Its innovative products are designed and manufactured in New Zealand for New Zealand conditions. Let's hear more about this market-leading company.
Here at Camco, we often focus on the three circles: quality, service and value. And where those circles intersect is where we really provide value for the customer. Our sales team is spread across the country with demonstration vehicles so you can actually try out our products. More than 80% of our customers come back for a refit, a new fit out, transfer of the fit out from the old vehicle to the new vehicle, so that provides you with some real confidence that you're getting a quality product. We utilise a lot of the new technology available through aluminium processing to decrease the curb weight of your vehicles, providing a safer place of work for your staff. Our extensive warranty gives you the assurance you're dealing with a quality product. Here at our new facility in Cambridge, we've got much more potential for growth, much more streamlined operation, resulting in faster turnaround and higher throughput. We're excited about our new facility here in Cambridge. It gives us much more room and flexibility for the future.
If you'd like to learn more about Camco, give them a call or visit the website.